What is up, friends? It's a beautiful day here in Krabi. We are going to the famous Railay Beach today. A lot of people do this as a day trip, but we discovered a bit of a travel hack, and that is if you stay at a hotel in Railay Beach, also known as Railay Bay, you get to sort of enjoy the beach before everyone gets there during the day and after everyone leaves. So we have a hotel, we booked a hotel called Sand Sea Resort. I'll tag some information in the description. Yeah, so we're gonna jump on the scooter. It's about a 20-minute scooter ride to Railay. From there we take a boat to Railay Beach. So a little bit of a confusing fact, Railay Beach, Railay Bay, it's not an island, but the only way to get there is by longtail boat. It's about a 10-minute boat ride. So if I can figure it out, I'll throw up a map of Railay Beach where we are, the path or sort of the route that we're taking to get to Railay, and then the little path that the boat takes to get to Railay from Ao Nong. So yeah, super excited. Tons of stuff to do in that area. The weather is awesome today. Doesn't look like rain, so it's a perfect beach day. Can't wait. Let's go. Waiting. Good.
Yes.
Next one.
Yes, next one.
Gonna catch the next one. Fucking hell. 10 minutes of absolute terror on the seas of Thailand. Absolutely gorgeous.
That is awesome.
We're trying to find reception. Where is reception? Othello's found a map. Is this a reception?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. Kopkun krab, kopkun krab. I can do it. Yeah, thank you.
Gotta put the key in there.
Amazing,
for the room.
thank you.
Oh, they have some slippers, flippers. Oh, oh wow.
It's too dark.
Wow, that's beautiful.
Good morning, you guys. We are here early morning on the iconic Railay Beach. The best way to enjoy this beach, you have to stay overnight in one of the resort properties, one of the hotels, because most people do this, as I mentioned in a previous video, most people do Railay Beach as a day trip. So all the long-tail boats come in midday, around 9:30, so that's going to be about an hour and a half. They spend the day here. They pack this area. It's rammed with people, even in the off season. And then they all leave around 7:30, 8 o'clock, which means that people that are staying get to enjoy this in the morning and the evening when everyone leaves. It's honestly the only way to enjoy Railay Beach. It's a travel hack, in my opinion, that everyone needs to do. I mean, look at this.
Okay, I don't need to take a photo. What?
Yeah. A full beer fridge is a happy beer fridge.